How to fix MX Player video hanging problem. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix MX Player video hanging problem. Watch the video till the end. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch and open Play Store on your device. Search for the updates of MX Player. If you got any, tap the update button and update it to the latest version. This will help us to get rid of different kinds of issues like video hanging problem on MX Player. And then once you update the app, you need to try opening the videos, and if there is still the problem, open settings on your device. Locate Wi-Fi. Check whether your internet connection is stable or not. If your Wi-Fi is not working well, try switching between the mobile data. And you need to check whether your issue has been gone or not. If not, open Mobile Network. Tap your SIM card at top right corner. Select Preferred Network Type. Select the Auto Preferred Network Type. Come back. Select Access Point Names. Select three dots. Tap Reset Access Points and reset your access points on your device. On the Settings section, tap Connection and Stereo. Turn on the airplane mode for a while and switch it back and turn it off after 2 or 3 seconds. Come back. Tap on Apps. Select App Management. Tap Search Bar. Type in MX Player. Tap on Storage Uses. Clear cache and data. And that is how we fix MX Player video hanging problem. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and tips, and thank you for watching.